Imagine wielding a sword that can freeze time, create illusions, or even alter reality itself. Welcome to the world of Bleach, where the power of the Zanpakuto reigns supreme. Bleach, one of the big three in the anime world, follows the adventures of Ichigo Kurosaki and the powerful Soul Reapers of Soul Society. Every Shinigami possesses a unique Zanpakuto, a soul-cutting sword with two forms, Shikai and Bankai. The Shikai is the foundation of their abilities, effective against low-level opponents, but the Bankai is where true power lies. Bankai is extremely rare and can only be employed by the strongest combatants in Soul Society. Ichigo's journey to achieve captain-level power is a testament to the strength and determination required to master a Bankai. Rojuro Otoribashi's Bankai, Kinshara Butadan, is a sight to behold with its elaborate and artistic powers. Jin Ichimaru's Kamisini no Yari is by far the fastest weapon in Bleach, extending and contracting at 500 times the speed of sound. Rukia Kuchiki's hack no Togame can reduce the ambient temperature to absolute zero, freezing all forms of matter. Mayuri Kurosachi's Konjiki Ashisoji Jizo is continuously enhanced and modified, making it a monumental force of nature. Byakuya Kuchiki's Senbonza-kura Kageyoshi is 100 times stronger than its Shikai form, overwhelming enemies with razor-sharp petals. Sajin Komamura's Kokuho Tengen Mayo becomes infinitely powerful for a few minutes, a testament to his hidden strength. Kisuke Urahara's Kananbaraki Benaheim Aratame can restructure almost anything, showcasing his eccentric genius. Shinji Hirako's Sakshima Yokoshima Hapafusagari can take down multiple enemies by making them believe everyone around them is their enemy. Toshiro Hatsugaya's Daiguren Hairinmaru evolves far beyond his age, showcasing the upper limits of his ice-controlling abilities. Shunsui Kyoro's Katen Kyokotsu, Karamatsu Shinju engulfs the environment in gloom, revealing his true nature. Retsu Anohana's Minazuki can extend the range of attack as well as heal, a reflection of her dual nature as a healer and warrior. Kenpachi Zaraki's unnamed Bankai nearly defeats Gerard Valkyrie, showcasing his overwhelming cutting strength. Genusei Yamamoto's Zanka no Tachi produces heat on par with the Sunscore, making it one of the most powerful Bankai in Bleach. Ichibe Hoisub's Shirafude Ichimonji can easily alter the properties of any target, a testament to his leadership of the Royal Guard. Ichigo Kurosaki's Tensa Zenjutsu is the most powerful Bankai in Bleach, feared even by the omnipotent Yavach. Ikkaku Madaram's Yumong Hazukimaru is a fearsome Bankai with 3 blades, charging up strength in battle. Renji Abarai's Sozabimaru is the strongest Bankai he has ever wielded, capable of taking on Sternritter S. Senjamaru Shutara's Shatatsu Karagra Shigarami no Suji can weave the future for its victims, a rare emergency option. Kaname Tosen's Suzumushi Suishiki, Enma Korogi attacks the enemy's senses directly, giving him a serious advantage in battle. Soifon's Jakuho Raikoban is a strange weapon for an assassin, firing a powerful missile that explodes with extreme force. Bleach revolves around Kurosaki Ichigo, a regular high schooler who can see the souls of the dead around him. With 17 seasons and 366 episodes,